Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Juah. Hello ma'am. Hello my friends. How are you today? I hope we are all in good and always happy. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Sahmin Solin. Can you call me Sahmin or Solin? I come from Aceh, but origins from Papa, and I am a Muslim. I am 19 years old and my hobby is singing, jogging, and reading books. I graduated from Senior High School Wan Salak in Pakpak Barat, and now I'm studying pharmacy in Universitas of Bengkulu. I think that's enough for my introductions. Thank you. Juah.
Hi, introduce myself. My name is Sahmin Solin, and can you call me Sahmin or Solin? I'm from Aceh, but my origin is Pakpak. How about you?
Oh hi, my name is Yanda Putra Purwato. You can call me Yanda. And I am from Bengkulu. Are you a student?
Yes, sure. I'm student in Pharmacy University of Bengkulu. How about you?
Good Samin. I am also majoring in pharmacy. I am 19 years and I really like to read the literature. How about you?
You know, I'm very like and hobbies. My hobbies. You know, my hobby is singing
Yes.
and jogging. Can you see my wife, my passion? And you know, I like my time is not long to meet you.